Attorney here at Jaime Barone PC, and I have some exciting news for everyone. We will be starting a new Facebook Live program in English. I know you have been part of our family for a very long time. Many of you have listened to all of our podcasts, all of our Facebook Lives. Most of them have been in Spanish. What we are trying to do is engage the other audience who would like information in English. So we'll be doing this on a regular basis. So what I recommend to all of you is to subscribe to our Facebook Live page so we can inform you when our next podcast, our next Facebook Live will be, so you can hear immigration-related information in English. In the meantime, what I want to do is share a couple of pieces of information for all of you so you have an idea of what's coming down the pike. Number one, really good news from immigration. They've issued something called the Doyle Memo. Doyle Memo basically is a way where immigration is willing to either drop some of the immigration deportation cases. So for example, let's say you have a case that's in deportation and it's not a priority to immigration. That means there's no major criminal issues, things of that nature. Immigration is willing to drop that case, but you have to follow certain protocols. In other cases, there are cases that they may be willing to agree on. So you have an asylum case, you have a good asylum case, they may be willing to listen and agree to you on that case. That means your case doesn't drag on for years and years. So this is a great opportunity. If you have a case in Dallas, in Irving, in Fort Worth, in Garland, in Plano, in DMV, in Virginia, DC, Maryland, call our offices at 214-267-9300. I'm going to repeat that again, 214-267-9300. We have multiple attorneys waiting to assist you in cases like that. This is once in a lifetime opportunity, this Doyle Memo, which allows immigration to kind of get rid of those cases that they really don't think are a high priority to them. So you have to put together certain documentation, make a request, and we want to go ahead and do that for you. But please set up an appointment so we can assist you with that. Number two, for all of our clients who are Ukrainian, temporary protected status for those from Ukraine has been approved. What that means is temporary protected status will allow an individual to stay in the United States, get a work permit, and then hopefully continue to renew this temporary protected status. We have individuals as clients who are Salvadorans, who are Hondurans, who have been on this temporary protected status for 10, 20 years. So this may be a great opportunity for those from Ukraine to get that. Even if you are in a non-immigrant visa, for example, you're on a student visa or a B1, B2, you may qualify depending on when you entered and your background. So that's something really important to know. For our clients who are from Afghanistan, first and foremost, Eid Mubarak. I should have started off with this. Eid Mubarak to one and all of you. But for Afghani clients who are here, if you came here on humanitarian parole, if you are here on student visa, or if you have no status whatsoever, you may still qualify to apply for temporary protected status. TPS for Afghanis have not been active yet, but we are expecting it to come pretty soon. I'm talking in a matter of a month or so. So it's time to start gathering the documents, talk to your attorney, get paperwork ready so we can file the documents for you the minute immigration says it's good to go. That's really important. Get your paperwork right away so we can put you in this situation, which will allow you to get your work permit and stay here lawfully. Last thing that I wanted to share with you guys is we have gotten information from USCIS directly, from immigration, stating they are indicating that they would like to raise immigration prices by the end of the year. So if you've been waiting to apply for your citizenship, to renew your green card, apply for green card through a spouse, whatever the case may be, this may not be time to just sit there and wait, because they may raise the price and indications are it's going to go pretty high. So if you have been waiting for this period of time, it may be a good idea to come talk to your lawyer, see if we can assist you in filing any of those documentation. Again, we can be reached at 214-267-9300. You can also like us on Facebook, Instagram, via TikTok, wherever you want to find us. We'll be happy to assist you with your immigration case. Once again, just want to remind you, we're going to try to do this in English, hopefully on a monthly basis. Please subscribe so we can let you know when the next podcast is coming in. Again, my name is Hussein Sadruddin. I'm the managing attorney of Jaime Barone PC. And it's a pleasure talking to each and every one of you. Have a good day now.